What's up, guys? Welcome back to Turtles Two Wheelers. Today I just want to show you guys my 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan S650 and a couple of the mods that I've done to it. Now I want to start off with one of my favorite mods. It's this Delkevic ceramic / cut exhaust. This thing is great. Honestly, probably one of the best exhausts you can find for this. Definitely recommend it. And then I went ahead and did the passenger foot peg kit. Got that off of Amazon. I think it was about 250 bucks. Pretty easy to install. You literally just connect it right into here. Took me about 30 minutes. Next up, I got some saddlebags from Willie and Max. Found those off the Facebook Marketplace. It's pretty nice. You just literally unzip this here. You can take them off if you're not using them. Velcro. Currently, I've got my rain cover in there. We have a passenger backrest and luggage rack. I did the tail tidy / fender eliminator kit. That stock piece is so junky and bulky. Had to go. Really cleans up the fender, makes it look really nice. For the seats, I got the Kawasaki extended passenger seat and then also the extended driver's seat. And I did the extended shifter rod down there, which gives you another inch to move those controls a little bit more forward. I'm 6'2", so that really helps with having a good position on the bike. Very comfortable. Also got this little kickstand pad. Just gives you a little extra support on there. It's a little stylish as well. I got these bar end mirrors from Amazon. You can adjust them however you like. I also got these clutch and brake levers. This phone mount is amazing. It really locks the phone in tight. I haven't had any issues with it. There's a little voltage. When you're not using this, you can plug this in and keep your battery charged. Can't forget Mr. Turtle. Now this windshield is pretty new. I'm actually just trying it out. It's a quick release windshield. These clamps go onto the front forks here, and then you just snap this on, and you can take it off pretty easily whenever you want for your convenience. And then one of my favorite mods is this matte Gecko LED headlight. Man, she really brights up the night. Down here we got got the Vulcan S radiator grille. Alright, I think that pretty much covers everything. Start her up so you can hear that Delkevic exhaust.